If you are someone who isn't using one of these 5 traffic sources as an affiliate marketer, you are missing out on a lot of money. The traffic sources I will go over in today's video will require very little time and very little knowledge and experience. The main reason I want to talk about these traffic sources today is because they are less competitive and they allow brand new affiliates to see better results, unlike Google. And these traffic sources I will discuss don't have extremely complicated algorithms that require years of time and dedication to get down. So let's get started with these 5 traffic sources. Number 5 on our list is Pinterest. Pinterest is a website that most people are familiar with, or at least have heard of, but a lot of people don't realize how incredible it is as a traffic source. And it's completely free. All you would need to do is post pins regularly. It could be a few a day or a few a week, and you can use templates to do this. So what I like to do is head over to this website called canva.com and search Pinterest pin, then click here. And then you can see all these Pinterest pin templates that you can edit or modify to create your very own. It's very beginner friendly as well. So if I just wanted to change the text here, I can just click here and type something new, and then maybe change the font if I'd like. I can also change the picture here and put something new by clicking on elements here, then searching for anything. So I might just search for something like this, then just scroll and browse through some of these options, and then just drag and drop it here and resize it a bit for my liking. And once I'm satisfied with my design choices, I can then click share right here and click download right here. Then I can head over to Pinterest, create a new pin, then upload my photo right here. Then I will want to add a title, a short description, some related tags, then that's it. So I would say it will take about 5 to 10 minutes per pin, and you can pin directly to landing pages or affiliate offers. Another amazing thing about Pinterest is it's a search engine, and search engines bring in passive income. That means you can post content on Pinterest, and that can potentially bring traffic months or even years later from now. And search engines are the only platforms that allow you to do that, and Pinterest is one of the easiest search engines to rank in, especially if you're a beginner. For number 4, we have Quora. What's really cool about Quora is that you can actually rank in Google in Quora in literally just a few hours. So Quora can enable you to rank for millions of keywords in Google. You might not be interested in starting a blog on Quora, but you could write comments in Quora, and if it gets the most engagement, then you can rank on Google for whatever Quora ranks for Google for that specific keyword. Getting started with Quora is really easy for beginners. All you need to do is create an account, search for questions up here, answer any and all questions, then rank very well. So you could really focus on one single niche or category within Quora very easily simply by answering any questions in your topic as they appear. To get started, it will require very little startup time, zero investment, and it has the potential to blow up super quickly. So essentially you can just look for any post in any niche or create a post of your very own. Then within the first couple of sentences, you can link your own personal content, including your affiliate link. So in the digital marketing world, digital marketers will spend years and years trying to build up their own list. But most of them don't realize that you can build a list using your Facebook profile. I know of some people who use their Facebook profile to earn $10,000 a month, and many of them have achieved this number in less than 30 days. So what you will need to do is add friends, and you can add up to 5,000 friends, which is the maximum number you can add on Facebook. After that, you'll just build relationships with these friends by providing value. Then you can begin to slowly provide offers to these friends. Number 2 is TikTok. When it comes to TikTok, it's not uncommon to see accounts grow over 100,000 subscribers in less than a month. The opportunity to go viral on this platform is more common than any other platform. When it comes to understanding and taking advantage of an algorithm, TikTok takes the cake. Anyone has the chance to blow up on this platform. And I'm sure you're thinking that TikTok is a platform that's just meant for silly trends and it's mostly just teenagers who use the app. That couldn't be further from the truth. Tons of people from any age go on TikTok nowadays, and thousands of people build entire businesses on TikTok in any industry you can imagine. It could be real estate, high-ticket affiliate marketing, selling Amazon products, selling merchandise, etc. Similar to these other platforms, TikTok is extremely easy to get started with as a beginner, and to put out content it only takes 15 to 20 minutes per video. And literally any video has the potential to go mega viral. And now for number 1, we have Clubhouse. So I'm sure most people have never used Clubhouse, let alone even heard of it before. So if you are someone who has been in the internet marketing space for some time now, you will know that it's much easier to grow and go viral on newer platforms. When Facebook first came out, people were absolutely killing it using things like Facebook pages, same thing with Instagram, and the same thing with TikTok. Clubhouse is relatively still pretty new, and there are tons of people blowing up super quickly using Clubhouse. But most people don't even know what Clubhouse is. It's essentially a mix of talk radio, podcasts, and Facebook groups combined into one platform. It's become so successful that Facebook decided to launch their own competitor to Clubhouse. So to get started with Clubhouse, all you need to do is create a room that revolves around a particular subject. People can enter that room, listen, raise their hand, and interact directly with you, and they can ask questions to which you can provide answers. When you create a room, you can get a ton of people to listen to your room's conversation live. And these people are ones who are actually interested in what you're talking about, and they're interested in your product that you are promoting as an affiliate. So trying to utilize all 5 of these platforms can be challenging, but I strongly encourage you pick at least one of them to use for your affiliate marketing business. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.